Hi JVs and welcome. I'm super excited to tell you about Christmas Capers, which is going live on the 18th of December, 9 a.m. EST time. Okay, it will cost you just $9.95. The whole of the funnel is $574.95. It comes with a £300 prize money, all in. So you've got first, second, and third prize, and obviously, if the sales aren't met, then it will be paid pro rata. Obviously I reciprocate, so if you actually do your best to help my actual product, then I'm going to return that favor and help you as well, guys. I do some great reviews and I give some great custom bonuses that no one else has, so I do get quite a few sales doing that way. So guys, without further ado, we're going to shrink the screen down. We're going to jump straight into this page, okay, because I want it to be as small as possible. So this is it, guys. Don't worry about this video too much. So basically, this is going to be a step-by-step over-the-shoulder training tutorial. It's basically 3 of my traffic methods rolled into one with some extra Christmas Caper special spice, okay? And the extra spice is going to be evergreen traffic sources that I've never shown before. It's all unreleased with inside this, okay? So it's not just the case that I'm giving away 3 of my actual products. There are other things in here as well. So if someone else has already got one of the products, it doesn't matter, because there's going to be bags of value and benefits for them as well. Okay, so that's where I want to go on that side. So it's a 5-day launch, guys. Okay, here is the actual funnel. So the first starts as follows. Front end funnel is $9.95 with Christmas Capers, a monster traffic muncher, which is a compilation of previously released content plus new content added into the mix for creating ultimate traffic systems and building online traffic for leads, followers, subscribers, warm buyers, hungry to be on your email list. Then there's OT1 upsell, which is a $17 ultimate traffic buster. This is really good. I sold quite a few of these. Basically, they just need to set up a banner size 468 length by 60 high in pixel rate, and then I put this onto my mailer, and this goes out to 600 warm buyers every single day. So it's a lifetime post. Also, they will get 4 URLs which they can send to me, and I will drive that traffic for 1 month to 190,000 people every single week. Okay, and you should get some great results with that as well. OTO2 is going to be the elite list club, complete setup, done for you. This is my mailer, and I do a done for you service where I set absolutely everything up. You don't have to worry about anything. This comes in at $27. Then there's OTO3, which is Monster Traffic Muncher Reseller Rights, which is $47. OTO4, which is $77, which is done for you monthly campaigns plus my optimized limitless super funnel, which I highly optimize by. All you need to do is you just need to approve your affiliate links, and I put all the links into it. I host the actual page as well, and then all you need to do is drive that to sales, etc., and it will go automatically through Warrior Plus, and you will automatically make 50% across the funnels on that as well. And then there is the last one, which is only 3 spaces for this, OTO5, which is at $397. This is limited, and this is limited lifetime access to my limited lifetime access membership plus tools. Okay, my tools are custom designed to help you with YouTube generation, etc., and that's only 7% of what limitless paid tools will offer. So that's it, guys. Obviously, I'll reciprocate, as I said before. I wish you all Merry Christmas. I hope you come on board with this. It will be great to have some people promoting this and giving me a good boost, because this realistically is my 8th product, because I'm still building my 7th at the moment, and I just wanted to get this one out there just before Christmas and give people something that they can review and post to their list. That's it, guys. All the very best. Thank you very much for listening to this. Cheers, bye.